In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily turn off vibration on your Android phone. Many people find the constant buzzing and vibrating of their phones annoying but don't know how to stop it. Fortunately, it's a simple process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit, and tap Sounds and Vibration. And then scroll down again, and tap System Vibration. To turn off vibration on your Android device, simply toggle off all of these options. Once you've done that, you can also move this slider all the way to the left to reduce system vibration intensity. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.